Have you ever wondered how people in the United States are making thousands of dollars every single month without even leaving their homes? In 2025, the trend of side hustles has become more powerful than ever. More and more people are realizing that depending on one paycheck is risky, and financial freedom comes from creating multiple income streams. Side hustles give you the flexibility to work whenever you want, earn extra money, and even turn small efforts into full-time businesses. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 side hustles that are not only trending in 2025, but also have the potential to change your life completely. These side hustles are based on real opportunities people are using right now across the USA. Whether you're a student, an employee looking for extra cash, or someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also give you a bonus tip on how you can pick the right side hustle for yourself. And if you're serious about starting your financial journey, grab a notebook and take notes, because this could be the first step. Before we dive into the top 5 side hustles, let's first understand why side hustles are so important in 2025. Over the past few years, the cost of living in the United States has risen significantly. Rent, groceries, healthcare, and utilities are all more expensive than ever. At the same time, salaries have not kept up with inflation. This means that even if you're working full-time, it can still feel like you're struggling financially. That's where side hustles come in. A side hustle is not just about making a little extra cash. It's about creating financial security and opening up new opportunities for yourself. For many people, a side hustle becomes the starting point of their entrepreneurial journey. What starts as a small project for extra income can grow into a business that generates thousands of dollars every month. Another reason side hustles are booming in 2025 is the rise of technology and AI. Tools that were once expensive or difficult to access are now available to everyone. This means you don't need to be an expert or have a lot of money to start. You just need the right idea and the determination to keep going. With that said, let's look at our first side hustle. The first side hustle on our list is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online in 2025 because it requires little to no upfront investment. All you need is a skill and an internet connection. Popular freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect people who need specific services with people who can deliver them. The great thing is, almost any skill can be monetized. Do you know how to design graphics, write blog articles? You can offer those services online, edit videos, or create websites. Even if you don't have advanced skills, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or CapCut to help you deliver professional work. For example, if you can't write a long article, AI can generate one for you and you can edit it to fit the client's needs. Freelancers in the United States are earning anywhere between $15 to $100 per hour depending on their niche. Some top freelancers even make 6 figures a year. The best part? You can start small while keeping your main job. You don't need to quit anything to begin freelancing. Just dedicate a few hours per week and you can build a strong client base over time. If you are consistent and deliver good quality work, freelancing can easily become a full-time career. Why is freelancing such a powerful side hustle in 2025? Because companies are outsourcing more than ever. Businesses in the United States want to save money, and hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees is often cheaper and more efficient. This means the demand for freelancers is growing rapidly. Another huge benefit is freedom. You get to choose your clients, your rates, and your working hours. If you're a night owl, you can work at night. If you only have weekends free, that's perfectly fine too. Freelancing gives you complete control. In addition, freelancing allows you to build your personal brand. Over time, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, your portfolio becomes your brand. As your reputation grows, you can charge higher rates. The opportunities are endless. Many freelancers even start their own agencies once they have too much work to handle alone. They hire other freelancers and manage a team, turning their side hustle into a business. That's the real power of freelancing. It can grow with you. Even beginners who start with zero experience can learn new skills through free courses on YouTube or platforms like Coursera. With dedication, freelancing is a side hustle that can truly transform into long-term success. The second side hustle that is extremely popular in 2025 is print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you design custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, and sell them online. The best part? You don't need to keep any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly by a supplier. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring make this process super easy. You can connect these platforms with online marketplaces such as Etsy or Shopify. Etsy in particular has become a hotspot for people selling custom products. Buyers in the USA love unique and creative designs, and they are willing to pay a premium for them. You don't even need to be a professional designer. With tools like Canva and AI image generators, anyone can create attractive designs. For example, you could create a funny slogan t-shirt, a motivational quote mug, or even trending pop culture designs. Each time a customer buys your product, you earn a profit without ever touching the product yourself. Some sellers on Etsy are making thousands of dollars per month with print on demand, simply by following trends and marketing their designs effectively. This side hustle combines creativity with automation, making it perfect for beginners who want to try e-commerce without taking huge risks. The third side hustle is YouTube automation, and it's a game changer in 2025. Traditionally, YouTube required creators to show their faces, speak on camera, and spend hours editing. But now, with AI tools and stock footage, you can run entire YouTube channels without ever showing your face. This is called Faceless YouTube or YouTube automation. The process is simple. You pick a niche, research video topics, write a script, use AI for voiceovers, and add visuals from stock footage or animations. Channels like these are thriving in niches such as finance, health tips, motivation, or even travel. Once your channel gets monetized, you can earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The beauty of YouTube automation is that the content works for you 24/7. A video you upload today can still bring views and income months or even years later. It's like creating digital assets that generate passive income. Yes, it requires effort in the beginning, research, consistency, and learning how the algorithm works. But once you understand the system, the earning potential is huge. Some faceless channels are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month. The key is consistency and providing real value to your audience. The fourth side hustle on the list is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without holding inventory. Instead, when someone places an order on your website, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your job is to handle marketing and customer service. This business is appealing because you don't need thousands of dollars to start. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can set up an online store in just a few hours. Then, by using suppliers from AliExpress or US-based warehouses, you can list products and start selling. The real challenge in dropshipping is finding the right product. Successful dropshippers focus on trending or problem-solving items that people are searching for. For example, in 2025, eco-friendly gadgets, home fitness products, and pet accessories are extremely popular in the US market. With smart marketing on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads, you can attract customers quickly. Many beginners start dropshipping as a side hustle and grow it into a full business. While it does require learning and effort, the potential rewards are huge. Some dropshippers scale their stores to generate 6 or even 7 figures annually. The fifth side hustle, and one of the most reliable, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's one of the simplest ways to start earning money online because you don't need to create your own product. Major companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact run affiliate programs that pay anywhere from 5% to 50% commission per sale. For example, if you promote a $500 product with a 20% commission rate, you make $100 every time someone buys through your link. The best way to succeed in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche and build an audience around it. You can do this through blogging, YouTube videos, TikTok content, or even email newsletters. Once people trust your recommendations, they are more likely to buy through your links. Affiliate marketing is powerful because it creates semi-passive income. A single blog post or YouTube video with affiliate links can continue earning you money months after you publish it. Many affiliate marketers in the USA are making thousands of dollars every month by simply creating content and sharing valuable recommendations. So these are the top 5 side hustles in 2025. Freelancing, print on demand, YouTube automation, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. Each of these side hustles has its own learning curve, but all of them are beginner-friendly if you are willing to put in the effort. The most important thing to remember is that no side hustle will make you rich overnight. Success comes with consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn. You might fail at first, and that's completely normal. But every failure teaches you something new and brings you one step closer to success. Think about this. Millions of people in the United States are already making extra income through side hustles. If they can do it, why not you? The opportunities are endless. And with technology on your side, there has never been a better time to start. Your first goal should not be to make $10,000 in a month. Instead, focus on making your first $100. Once you achieve that, scale up step by step. Remember, every big success story started small. If you found value in this video, don't just watch and move on. Take action. Pick one side hustle that fits your skills, interests, and lifestyle, and start working on it today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time will never come. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. I'll be sharing more detailed guides on each of these side hustles, including step-by-step tutorials and free resources you can use to get started. Also, leave a comment below and tell me which side hustle you are most excited to try in 2025. I love hearing from you, and your feedback helps me create better content. And finally, if you want a bonus tip, the secret to success in any side hustle is not just working hard, but also working smart. Use the tools available, learn from free resources, and keep testing until you find what works for you. That's how ordinary people turn side hustles into extraordinary businesses.